Hi, I'm Rehaan, and here are some stuff I've built. I love to tinker when experimenting with robotics like edge detectors and solar trackers was my first ever major project being this voice-activated maze navigator. I designed a specialized maze where the robot takes vocal flag inputs from the user. I then made this self-writing robot that converts Morse code into written text and a whack-a-mole machine using Lego. My interest in turned to programming to develop this multi-modality cancer diagnosis tool with 7,000 lines of code. The code has stacked ensemble models for X-rays, CNNs for CT scans, and NLP models for symptom data, with each final prediction including explainable AI for high clinical transparency. Next, into aerospace and safety, I made reduced order models for increased hypersonic simulation speed. I had 3 months of errors and learning to develop a final working case. I got the data to 250 simulations utilizing Aladdin hypercube sampling and developed a web app to act as a numerical interface for ML scrambled predictions and a page for graphical analysis. Pairing it with a visual content generator to reduce simulation time by 2 orders. Simultaneously in manufacturing, I developed an add-to-water condenser for filtered drinking water implementing the Peltier effect. I'm developing a program to label computer from scratch using breadboards and simple logic gates. I also made a gold plasma torch and as a helium with several failed attempts as shown above. The final setup had over 25 iterations. At this time, my interest in aerospace was growing concurrently to my CFD project. I designed and 3D printed the parts to develop a working wind tunnel. I also built various model rockets at home and wanted to design a toss vector control system. I had an 3D printed the parts to develop a working flight computer. My current project is constructing a full-scale two-seater pilottable aircraft from basic parts that are self-inventoried. With a small team, I started working on the fuselage, preparing each part used in the build. There were a bunch of small errors that had to be fixed along the way. I added the side scale and rudder pedals along with a lot of pre-work for the parts that's yet to come. A few thousand rivets were installed for the fuselage alone. I then worked on the fuel tank, the wheels, and its fairings. I spent time on the tail cone and the 2 stabilizers, followed by over 9 weeks of constant resin work, sanding and adding micro balloons for the canopy. I then focused on the wings, involving wiring work for solid warning systems and lights, which then involved priming and painting that was done inside the fuselage as well. The flight sticks were then installed and began wiring and loading messy sets of wires shared the plane for the avionics and control panels with comm radios and a flight deck. I also helped my mentor build his 4-seater aircraft where both planes could configure autopilot. I worked on wiring and then the engine and its scaffolding that will soon be added to my plane as well. Alright, thank you for watching.